Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.